Ever wondered if a classic sci-fi film would excel as a classic Twilight Zone episode? And look no further than Village of the Damned, a hauntingly captivating film that's a masterclass in blending intellectual exploration with chilling suspense. Um, haven't subscribed yet? Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more captivating stories like this one. As I reflect on my time growing up, it's hard not to feel a sense of nostalgia when watching this film or its spiritual successor, The Twilight Zone. Both works share an uncanny ability to explore the human condition in the face of the unknown while delivering a bone-chilling experience. Uh, Village of the Damned strikes me as a masterclass in lean storytelling with its efficient pacing and economy of language. The film leaves little room for excess, allowing the audience to focus on the unsettling questions it raises about human nature and free will and being free will. In some ways, um, I'm reminded of the old saying, less is more. In this case, that's truer than ever. The film manages to convey a sense of dread and foreboding without resorting to jump scares or cheap thrills. Uh, Instead, it relies on the power of suggestion and subtle visual cues to create an atmosphere of unease that lingers long after the credits roll. Uh, of course, no discussion of Village of the Damned would be complete without mentioning its eerie similarities to The Twilight Zone. Both works share a dedication to literary science fiction and a knack for delivering thought-provoking stories that linger in the mind long after the viewing experience is over. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,